The custom keto diet recipes. Keto curry spiked tuna and avocado salad. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients, 6 ounces albacore tuna, drained. 1/4 cup avocado, diced. 2 tablespoons chopped celery. 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons curry powder. Pinch of salt and pepper. Procedure, whisk together mayonnaise, curry powder, salt and pepper in a bowl. Fold in tuna, avocado, and celery. Serve over keto toast or rolled in fresh lettuce. Nutritional information: energy, 357 kilocalories. Protein, 44 grams, 53%. Fat, 17 grams, 40%. Carbohydrates, 6 grams, 7%. Keto broccoli and cheddar frittata. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients, 3 eggs. 1 tablespoon butter. 1/4 cup cheddar cheese, grated. 1/4 cup broccoli florets. Pinch of salt and paprika. Procedure, 1. Brush a heat-proof dish with butter. 2. Beat in eggs, salt, and paprika. 3. Mix in cheddar and top with broccoli florets. 4. Set in the microwave for about 3 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Nutritional information: energy, 377 kilocalories. Protein, 24 grams, 27%. Fat, 30 grams, 71%. Carbohydrates, 2 grams, 2%. Keto chicken Florentine. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients: 1 chicken leg quarter. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 tablespoon minced shallots. 1.5 cups chicken stock. 2 tablespoons heavy cream. 1 cup fresh spinach. Salt and pepper, to taste. Procedure, 1. Melt butter in a pan, then sprinkle shallots. 2. Add chicken on top of the shallots. Season with salt and pepper. 3. Add enough stock to barely cover the chicken. Bring to a simmer. 4. Cover and poach over low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. 5. Take chicken out of the pan and set aside. 6. Reduce pan juices to approximately a quarter of a cup. 7. Add spinach and heavy cream. Simmer over low heat until the sauce is slightly thick. 8. Return chicken into the pan. 9. Serve hot. Nutritional information: energy, 507 kilocalories. Protein, 53 grams, 44%. Fat, 30 grams, 53%. Carbohydrates, 4 grams, 3%. Keto sandwich bread. Preparation time, 2 minutes. Cooking time, 2 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients: 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 2 tablespoons coconut flour, 2 tablespoons olive oil, half a teaspoon baking powder. Procedure: 1. Pour olive oil into a microwave-safe dish, coating the bottom and sides evenly. 2. Add in egg and heavy cream. Beat until well mixed. 3. Stir in coconut flour and baking powder. 4. Spread the batter evenly into the dish with a rubber spatula. 5. Cook in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Nutritional information: energy, 422 kilocalories. Protein, 7 grams, 7%. Fat, 42 grams, 90%. Carbohydrates, 3 grams, 3%. Keto tiramisu. Fat bombs. Preparation time, 1 hour. Servings, 8 fat bombs. Ingredients: 4 ounces cream cheese, softened. 2 ounces butter, softened. 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon erythritol. 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 cup crushed sugar-free grams. Procedure: 1. Combine all ingredients in a food processor. 2. Pulse into a smooth dough. 3. Divide the dough and roll into balls. 4. Chill for 1 hour. Nutritional information: energy, 80 kilocalories. Protein, 1.5 grams, 7%. Fat, 8 grams, 90%. Carbohydrates, 1 gram, 3%.